Well, here's my Servel refrigerator, model number UR600A. There's the BTU output, serial number 663812, and that's what I'm able to get for the flame right now. Earlier, the blue flame was sticking up like this high, literally. And then it finally kept going down, and I thought, well, I'll just keep it going. And if you can hear that, it's like a jet engine. If I turn down, I just lit it maybe 5 minutes ago. If I turn this way down, all the way to defrost, it burns like that. So I'm not really sure what to think. I mean, at this point, I'm kind of thinking perhaps it's, perhaps the wrong orifice is in there. I don't know, is that how it normally goes? I mean, maybe that's just normal, but that's on defrost. And like I said, when I turn it back to, the colder setting, I'll turn it all the way to its coldest setting. Hang on a second. Sorry if that's not clear right now. I'm trying to use two hands there. That's on its coldest setting. There's the spacing of the little tab there. I hope you can see everything. I would love any advice anyone would give me. Thank you so much.